Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. So today we're gonna be trying out the DIY banana face mask. So all we're going to need right now is just a blender and few slices of bananas. I took this amount because I was not planning on doing much. So all I'm just going to do right now basically is to blend that out, baby. So I'm just going to connect my blender and blend it basically. It's not much, but you guys can see that it's blending. It kind of looks weird. So right now this is the paste. This is the result, the paste that came out, and I'll just be applying that to my skin. So just so you guys know, we'll be applying this 3 different coats of this banana. This will be the first coat, and after applying the first coat we're going to leave it for 10 minutes, nothing more, nothing less. 10 straight minutes. So like I said earlier, we're going to leave this on for just 10 minutes. While waiting, you can do literally anything you want to do. Go ahead, do whatever it is you want to do. Just make sure it's on for nothing more or nothing less than 10 minutes. So right now it's already 10 minutes and it has dried off. So I'm going to apply a second and third coat immediately after each other. Then after applying that, I'm going to wait for an extra 20 minutes. Yes, we have to make sure that skin comes out shiny and bright. So we're going to leave it on for 20 minutes, and yes, you can do whatever it is you want to do. Hey guys, so my It's been 20 minutes already, and as you can see, the mask has dried off on my skin and it's quite sticky. So as you guys can see right now, I'm just going to go wash it off my face, and yes, let's see how how my skin's gonna turn out after this. Yes. So my babies, I have cleaned, I've washed my face off, and I have patted it dry with a towel. Yes, I don't know if you guys can see say any difference. This annoying pimple, ugh. But I don't know if you guys can see any difference. Like, it's got a little bit more clearer, and yes. So yes, I would love you guys to try this treatment. Like 2 to 3 weeks before you can see any 2 to 3 times per week before you can see any huge difference in your skin. But I bet with you are going to see difference. You're going to see different, like a very huge, great result. And I hope you guys enjoy this. This is stress free. It is use too much products on your face, especially for you guys that don't like putting too much products on your face like me. I prefer the natural way though. So yes, I hope you guys can see my skin. I love my skin so much right now, and it's soft, and yes, I feel like a baby. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, all those good stuff. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and yes, I'll see you in my next video. And I would love you guys to comment on what's next you'd love me to try, what you'd love me to do. Let me know let me get your opinions. Let me know what you think, all those good stuff. Yes, and more videos will be coming pretty soon. I love you guys so much. Bye.